Hey there, creative explorers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting challenge where we'll explore the entire process of taking AI-generated art from conception to selling. Join us on this journey as we uncover the highs, lows, and unexpected twists in our quest to turn AI art into a profitable venture. 1. Generating AI art. Greetings, art enthusiasts. To embark on this creative journey, our very first step is to find the perfect AI art generator. Our go-to tools are Midjourney Cafe and Stable Diffusion, which allow us to generate a limitless array of art pieces for absolutely free. Let's kick things off with something mouth-watering. How about a chicken wing oil painting? It's finger-licking good, isn't it? 2. Researching art niches. Now, before we dive into the selling phase, we need to ensure that our art caters to trending art niches. While chicken wings might not adorn the walls of every living room, we're in search of what's buzzing. By delving into Etsy search suggestions and harnessing the power of E-Rank, we're pinpointing sought-after niches like mid-century modern abstract art and flowers. 3. Choosing print-on-demand and upscaling. Now, the idea of selling prints might sound like handling printing and shipping headaches, but fear not, for we're introducing the magic of print-on-demand services such as Printful. They're our behind-the-scenes heroes, managing everything from printing to shipping and even packaging, allowing us to focus on the creative process. But here's where the magic truly happens: the world of AI-powered upscaling. Gigapixel AI steps in, transforming our art into large, print-worthy formats without compromising quality. So that's big prints without losing the finer details. 4. Creating listings and optimizing. Listings, the lifeblood of our online shop. It's time to put our AI art out there on Etsy. But wait, these listings require more than just pictures. High-quality visuals, catchy titles, and strategic keywords are all essential components. Tags, shipping preferences, and pricing strategies play a pivotal role in catching the eye of potential buyers. Now, remember, we're not just offering digital files, we're focusing on physical prints. These tend to fetch higher prices and greater profit margins. Speaking of pricing, we're employing a clever strategy that makes our prints seem like a great deal, all while ensuring a healthy profit. The Etsy challenge begins, and here we are. Day 1 of our 30-day Etsy challenge. Armed with a diverse array of AI-generated art and a strategy that's rare to go, we're setting off on a journey to see if our creative prowess can translate into tangible earnings. Let the challenge commence. The challenges begin fast forward to day 15, and we find ourselves facing some roadblocks. Despite our best efforts, the number of views and sales remains discouragingly low. It appears that organic traffic isn't flowing as anticipated. Frustration looms, but we're not throwing in the towel just yet. The moment calls for a leap of faith. Enter Etsy ads, investing a bit to hopefully gain a lot. The turning point. Welcome to day 26, a turning point in our adventure, a sale. A purple peacock print has caught the eye of a buyer, and suddenly the tide is shifting in our favor. Turns out those Etsy ads did indeed make an impact. A spark of hope ignites on the horizon. The final outcome. As we wrap up our 30-day challenge, we find ourselves at a crossroads of learnings and accomplishments. Our revenue, expenses, and net income paint a comprehensive picture. While we might not have skyrocketed into immediate profitability, the journey has been eye-opening, revealing the nuances of transforming art into a thriving business. And that, dear viewers, brings us to the end of our exhilarating journey, from generating AI art to the art of selling it. A roller coaster of creativity, challenges, and unexpected triumphs. Whether you're an artist, an entrepreneur, or simply intrigued by the intersection of AI and art, this challenge has illuminated new horizons. If you found this journey as captivating as we did, don't forget to hit that thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more exciting content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until we embark on our next adventure, keep the creative spirit alive.